If you run AI infrastructure, developer tools, or internal security platforms, patch review should start with 3 issues today: vLLM, Chainlit, and picklescan. The practical risk is clear. Attackers do not need a Hollywood exploit when model servers accept dangerous inputs. AI app sessions can be restored without ownership checks, or malicious machine learning files slip past scanners. Your action now is to identify exposed deployments, upgrade, restrict untrusted inputs, and review logs for crashes or unusual session restoration. First, CVE 2026-56340 in vLLM. NVD rates this high severity with CVSS 8.8. The affected range is vLLM versions from 0.10.2 before 0.13.0. The issue is missing sparse tensor validation in multimodal embedding processing. In plain English, when the prompt embeds feature is enabled, a crafted embedding request can use malformed tensor indices and trigger crashes, resource exhaustion, and possible memory corruption. For teams using vLLM to serve large language models, this is not just an application bug. It is a reliability and availability risk in the model serving layer. Defensive steps are straightforward: check the GitHub advisory, move to a fixed release as soon as your environment supports it, limit who can submit embedding inputs, disable risky features if they are not required, watch for repeated worker crashes, and put rate limits in front of public or semi-public inference endpoints. Second, CVE 2026-56104 in Chainlit, rated high with CVSS 8.2. Chainlit before version 2.10.1 had a session restoration weakness. An unauthenticated attacker could present a valid session ID during WebSocket restoration and inherit an authenticated user session without proper ownership verification. That matters because many AI applications are not simple chat demos anymore. They connect conversations to tools, files, private knowledge bases, and business actions. If a session can be restored by the wrong party, the blast radius may include data access and tool invocation under a victim's context. The fix is to upgrade to Chainlit 2.10.1 or later, invalidate suspicious or old sessions, and review whether session IDs ever appeared in logs, links, browser history, or support tickets. Third, CVE 2025-71348 in picklescan, rated high with CVSS 8.1. Picklescan before 0.0.28 could miss a malicious pickle pattern involving a torch utility path. The defensive lesson is bigger than one scanner. Machine learning artifacts can behave like executable code. If your pipeline downloads models, checkpoints, datasets, or notebooks from outside sources, do not rely on a single scan result. Upgrade picklescan, avoid loading untrusted pickle files, prefer safer formats where possible, isolate model loading, require artifact provenance, and keep build and training environments away from production secrets. The common theme is AI security hygiene. Model serving inputs, AI app sessions, and ML artifacts all cross trust boundaries. Patch quickly, but also reduce permissions so one missed bug cannot become a full incident. Today's checklist: inventory vLLM, Chainlit, and picklescan usage, upgrade against the official advisories, restrict public access, rotate or revoke exposed sessions if needed, monitor crashes and unusual WebSocket restoration, and treat every external model artifact as untrusted until proven otherwise.